Okay, this is what is it? One guy, one screwdriver.
Yeah.
We've already seen the picture on the video and we're kind of scared. We don't have dicks, so...
We don't know how much this is gonna hurt.
But it looks painful. Robbie knows.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Don't look, G-man. Don't look, G-man.
Oh.
Don't you dare put it on full screen. He is taking a dump.
It's good. Oh shit. I think we already.
Oh no, no, no. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. That's disgusting.
He's bleeding!
He's
Oh my god!
Oh, it's blood.
Oh my god!
It's bleeding.
It's bleeding. Oh, that's disgusting.
You're crying.
I'm sorry, G-man.
Oh god.
Why did you do that? What?
What is he doing?
Does this turn him on?
Oh.
Don't put it near the camera.
Oh,
Away!
goodbye.
Away!
Oh god.
I don't understand why he sat on a car.
Did you do a shit? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I put a dick in the sink.
What the fuck is wrong with that guy?
How did he get a screwdriver in his penis like that? I thought he was gonna like screw it or something, but nah.
Just shoved it in. Oh god.
Okay, well.